GeoVision offers fast, high-quality 3D visualizations of your models. The web app's playground provides multiple tools to help you work with your model. You can hide or isolate objects as needed, while viewing the metadata extracted from your local software for each selected object on the right side of your screen. To send your model to the GeoVision cloud, download and install the GeoVision plugin you need, for example, Revit. Then open your Revit software, sign into your GeoVision account, and publish the data. Click View to see your model inside the web app. The tools inside the web app help you present your model more effectively to clients or teammates. For example, the Section Box tool lets you focus on the area you need. These visualizations are accessible anytime on any device. Create your account today and connect to the cloud.